The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specifically address the situation of a ceiling fan with a single neutral wire when two 14/2 nm cables are run to the fan outlet, one for the motor and one for the light. However, several NEC sections and best practices provide guidance. Section 310.15 B5 states that neutral conductors shall not be used for grounding or as equipment grounding conductors. Section 300.3 B addresses that conductors entering a raceway shall be terminated within a box or other enclosure. Section 300.15 states that conductors shall be accessible after installation without removing any part of the building or structure or permanent fixed parts thereof. Considering these code sections and best practices, rewiring the fan with separate white wires for the motor and light is the preferred solution. This maintains balanced current flow within each nm cable and aligns with NEC requirements. Connecting the fan's white wire to both incoming neutrals would violate 310.15 B5 by potentially using a neutral conductor for equipment grounding. Capping off one of the incoming neutrals would violate 300.15 A, as it would not be accessible after installation. Additionally, this could create an imbalance in current flow within the nm cables. Therefore, the most code-compliant and preferred solution is to rewire the fan, providing separate neutral connections for the motor and the light.